This is the seed packet and binder that I picked up from the team. I'm super excited to start organising. I've got bundles and bundles of seeds to get organised. How you do it is up to you, of course. Do you want to do it by month? Do you want to do it by type? You know what is going to be good for you. You get your little binder here and you get these paper wallets. So starting off with the binder, it is it's like a leatherette kind of material. It's going to be really good if you get splashes and compost and things on it. You'll be able to wipe it and keep it clean. There are no pockets on the inside, but you could certainly add them in there yourself. I've got some little adhesive ones, which should be absolutely fine. And with it, you do get these little plastic wallets and you clip them in yourself. The way that it works is you can get up to 100 packets of seeds in there. So I think you get 25 little plasticky wallets. You can probably buy more, I'm sure you can. And the way that they work is you get your seed packets, whether it's these ones or from your own little pouch, and you can slide them in. You slide them in on this side that way. So you slide them in this side like that, and from this side you do it that way. So it's not top loading, it's side loading. And on the reverse you've got the same thing. So in one wallet you can get 4 packets or more if you want to stack them up. So for example, you've got 6 varieties of tomatoes and you don't want to use up doubles, you might want to just triple stack them. It's up to you. It's your seeds. And you can unclip and rearrange the pages as you wish. You also get tons of these as well if you do find, like me, you open up your seed packets and they spill everywhere and you want to try to save them. I often decant them into other things like this because I don't know why they're not resealable. I don't know why they aren't, or very easy to reseal. So you get loads of these as well. And all these are typical envelope style paper. Seeds, you put the variety name, the day, and any information you want to add on there, and you can seal it up. These are also handy as well for gifting, and you can buy extras of these. I've seen them, I've got some, I've ordered some, so you can buy extras of these if you feel like you need them. Maybe you want to keep growing. I personally, I'm probably going to buy a couple more of these, one for flowers, one for veggies and herbs, that kind of thing. I think it's going to be really fab. And that is how they look like outside of the packet. Kind of like, we call them Polly Pockets. I don't know what people call them because I don't know what they're named. Clear plastic sheets, but they're very clever. And all you do is clip it in. It's nice and easy. You've got like a little clipper there. Press that. I'm just going to slide that guy in there and give it a close. Yeah, it's going to be very satisfying, easy to keep nice and warm. I'm going to keep my seeds indoors. Good luck in the garden.